welcome to today's vlog, the first of a series of moving vlogs. Let me turn around because the light's a bit better. I've just finished the work haul, just dressed in some Zara jeans, this tank top. I'm a lot more made up than you'll see me for the rest of this series, but today I'm just going to pick up the keys, move in the first batch of my stuff, and film an empty flat / apartment tour for you guys so you can see the space. So come along with me as we get moving. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you are new. My name's Nadreen. There will be lots more content like this and 3 videos a week. So this is your Tuesday video. You'll be getting another one on Thursday and Sunday. Maybe a few bonuses if I have loads of content as well. Okay, so we're in the lift. I've got all my kit and my bag, and we're heading up to my floor. So I'm gonna set all my stuff down and do a proper tour for you guys. I'm just going to give you guys a quick walkthrough. You'll probably have seen a sped up version of what I'm about to do in my life update video. So if you want to go back and refer to that, I will link it in the description box below or on one of the iCards. So look out for that. But yeah, it's very echoey right now because there's like nothing in here. All of my bulky stuff is coming on Saturday. So I've got a truck kind of helping me to bring that stuff in. So today it's just me and a few suitcases, which I'm going to drag up in a second. But that's the entryway. So that's the sort of front door. I've put the lights on just so you guys can have a bit of a better view. I guess if I put them off, just looks like that. I love the kind of dark wood effect on the doors. It's like a really dark brown, very much my vibe. So when you come in, put on the light, there's a cupboard to your left which is just storage. So I'm going to keep my cases in here, any extra boxes, my Christmas tree which I brought with me. Oh, I can see there's some sort of power thingy, but yeah, this is just kind of where all the electrics and stuff live. So that's that. Then the door to your left is the bathroom. I always find it weird when the lights are outside, but whatever, we move. So there's 2 lights. So one is for the LED and one is for the sort of main bathroom. Let me close the toilet lid because that is embarrassing. But yeah, as you can see, heated towel rail on the right hand side as you walk in. Really spacious. Lots of good floor space, and most importantly, storage, which opens to the right, which is very weird, but that will just about fit some of my products. We will see. Nice touchscreen sink. This is kind of like a smart house, so a lot of the appliances you'll see are like touch sensitive, but you can like change the temperature and like the flow, etc. But I'm not going to get into all that. You've got a nice time display on the mirror, and you can even get the, I don't know what that does, maybe that turns on the towel rail, and then you can like reset the time. Turn on the light, so lots of LED lighting, which means my electricity bill is going to be crazy. And then the overhead shower / bath, which is also touchscreen. I'm not going to turn it on because actually, let me. The water was a little bit dirty last time I ran it, but I think it seems to have cleared out now. But yeah, you can probably see there you can adjust the temperature, all of that sort of stuff. So I'm going to have to read through that at some point and figure out how to turn it off. So that's that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Toilet, nice big door, and that is the bathroom. So I'm going to take my shoes off for this bit. So I walk into the bedroom. So I'm trying to figure out layout, but I'm basically, if I stand in the corner here, I'm gonna put my bed in that space there, and then leave enough room to kind of get out onto the balcony, which, let's be honest, I probably won't be doing, but there needs to be some lock, some sort of extra lock on it, so I'm not going to open that now. Let's just wait. But yeah, we've got a radiator there, TV cable there, which is good to know, and then a huge full-length wardrobe. So let's see what we've got. So it's basically like loads of hanging space. So I have a chest of drawers at home, which it looks like I'm gonna have to bring, because this is all hanging space. So I can hang loads of clothes, and what I'll probably do is put the chest of drawers maybe here. Yeah, that seems to be the best place for them, either like facing out or like facing here. And then yeah, that is the room. I do love the mirror, so that means that my other mirror I'm gonna put in the living room. Don't know if you can see me. But yeah, this is nice. The carpet is nice and new as well. So we step back out, and then the second door to the right is the kitchen slash dining area, which is open plan. I had my tripod set up so I could do the thumbnail for you guys, get it nice and profesh. But yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna need to get some curtains up in here, either curtains or blinds, I don't really know just yet. But what we do have over here is more storage, which is very handy, and this is where the boiler lives. Okay, interesting. Oh, this heating compartment must not be used for storage of any description. Well, they say that. I'm gonna put my Christmas tree baubles down here. And then over to the kitchen area. So in terms of this space, I'm probably gonna put my sofa, I'm thinking here, so I'm gonna have it, okay, so the TV cables are there, good to know. So I'll probably have the TV in the corner right there, and then I will have the sofa probably either come round like that, or maybe like go along here and then here, so that we can create some separation. Maybe put a little console table here, or like a dining table. Prada Martha sign back on the wall in its rightful place over there. Or maybe I might make here a little console table type space, and like take my Instagram pics like from here. I quite like that. And then kind of keep this as like a dining area. I might put my Desenio prints over there. And then we move into the kitchen. So where do I start? So the fridge is huge and needs some cleaning apparently. So if I can get up there, I'll try and give that a wipe down, but there's some more storage up there. I can put my rice in there. Maybe take these bits out at some point. Nice, we've got ice cube trays. It's a good sized fridge. In fact, let me see. Compartments on the door, lovely. And then a decent sized freezer. It's not the hugest, but coming from my last flat where we didn't have a freezer, that's handy. Got some more storage under here. Got the oven in here. Let's hope I get some use out of this one. More storage up here, so I'll probably keep like pots and pans down there. This is going to be the wine cupboard, I can just tell. Under here, more storage, so like I think probably dried foods and stuff, tins and things. Up here we've got lots of storage, so this might be cups and stuff, and then maybe I could put spices and stuff in here, and then plates and things in here, and glasses, maybe just glasses, cups over there, spices, and plates and things in here, serving dishes and stuff. Got even more storage here, so this comes with a nice separator, which is very handy. So put all my cooking utensils in there, manuals, tea towels. Oh, comes with a chopping board, how nice. I'm not going to use it though. yeah, more storage. And then over here, my prized possession is the dishwasher, which if I get more plates, I probably will use it. If I don't, I'll probably allow it. More storage under here, but that's kind of the under the sink area. And the washing machine is here. It's also got a dryer. It's a washer dryer, amazing. So I won't have to hang my washing up. And then the sink, the sink here, which I've been told has this is a soap dispenser. I don't know where you would load that in from, maybe. God knows, what's this? I have no idea what any of this stuff is. Who knows, but this is, I think, this is like the hot water tap. One of these taps dispenses hot water. So when I figure that out, I will let you guys know. And then just a drying rack here. So yeah, that is a tour of my new humble abode. My battery is flashing red, so I'm gonna have to turn this off. But yeah, I'm gonna be bringing my stuff up, like the small cases and stuff that I've brought up to like get that stuff done. And then heading back to my other flat for the night. So not moving in just yet, but just thought I'd give you an empty flat tour. Do a quick spin, show you where I will be. But yeah, please do subscribe to watch the rest of the move-in process. I will kind of talk you through how I'm going to decorate, things I'm going to put up, bits I'm going to be buying, probably from IKEA, so links will be down below. And yeah, probably do a little housewarming, moving in day vlog. So my boyfriend's going to help me kind of get my stuff in here, or get it like arranged and stuff on the weekend. So you'll see all of that. And you'll see some normal videos, some normal sit down videos coming up too, so do look out for those. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for 3 videos a week, and I will see you guys on Thursday. And Thursday's video will be a digital marketing video, the first in my series, and I'll be telling you a little bit more of what's to come for the rest of that chunk of videos. So make sure you are subscribed. Come follow me on my socials, they will be on the screen: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and yeah, see you soon. I thought I would also give you a better look at my outfit. I'm just wearing this tank top from ASOS, which I can link below for you. Sorry, it's not a tank top, it's a bodysuit. These jeans are from Zara, and these trainers are from Nike via ASOS maybe. I'll link some similar ones down below for you.